Welcome back, guys. Come with me this morning as we do a little work on the winch.
It don't spin. It will not spin.
Alright, can you make it quiet? So, Saturday night, late Saturday night, after everything else went down, I went up to the woods to cut a tree, and on the way back, had the trusty Honda with the winch, and I figured that I was pulling a load, probably close to 1,000 pounds of firewood, and I figured I'd have trouble crossing the creek, as well as some old bushes that I smashed down with the four-wheel drive four-wheeler. So anyway, it got dark, and I winched through the briar bushes that they're basically smashed down on the ground enough so I can get across, but then the little Honda with the two-wheel drive got hung up on the trees. Actually, no, the Honda got across, the trailer got hung up on the trees, and it just didn't have enough to cross, so I was able to winch across two bushes, and then I got down in the creek, got up to the crossing, and then there's a giant pine tree that fell over, and it's laying on top of another tree directly over the crossing, so usually we just hurry underneath and trust that it'll fall someday when it's windy. So last night it was windy, cold, and pouring down rain. Trying to get up the crossing with the wagon, and I have a perfect winch tree to winch off of there, and I figured it would be great. So right now we're running a 1-year-old interstate battery on the Honda that's just dying out. So I got that Craftsman battery. Yeah, that's a Craftsman. Got that battery in the trunk of the Honda connected with a battery wiring harness off of a Chinese four-wheeler. It's basically a green wire and a red wire, and just running back. And that gives us plenty of power under normal circumstances. But in this instance, that cable ripped and the battery was very low, and this winch didn't want to pull a whole lot, and my lights were dim. I was trying to get home before dark, but I didn't bring my headlamp, so I couldn't see anything. My phone died, so I couldn't even have that for flashlight, and then the winch quit. It would just spin and not move. So I have the Arctic Cat outside with a wiring winch on it, and I thought I might steal the wiring winch off of there and then put it on my mount. But before we do that, I thought let's take it apart and see if we need to order parts, or if we can order parts. So I know this bit looks broken, which would index on the... Oh yeah, it is broken. It's under the cable. All right, we'll make something to fix that.
Out.
Yep.
It's not good.
I'm not sure if this is weldable. Cool. That's a thought. So yeah, most likely what happened is so you have the once the wire wrap's on here, it's trying to spread the drum apart, which it apparently did and broke the drum. So in absence of the drum, it's going to try and bend this plate away from the winch. So apparently it bent far enough away from the winch that this gear right here sets in here, and it engages the forward. It engages into here and also into here. Excuse me. Oh, that's better. So basically, if you pull on the knob on the end, it'll pull this gear far enough into the drum where it disengages the motor side, the gear head side. So basically, I think it bent the plate far enough to keep it from engaging in gear. And I think I tried to push the knob down. There's a little knob on here. Try to push it down, try and get the gear in, and it didn't do anything. All right, so I'm pretty sure this drum is non-magnetic, so I got a magnet here. Yeah. It's die-cast aluminum. And I can't weld. I'm not set up to weld die-cast. So what we could do possibly is we have enough meat there that we might be able to pin it in. That would mean I like the remote. So the way I'm running this is off of an M12 battery. Oh. I plugged the cord in the M12. Just put the ring terminals over it. Funny how these M12 batteries keep showing up in our videos. So we're gonna dig into that, get that cable off the spool, off the drum. I'm just gonna leave that there. We'll probably come back and mess with it later on. So what we need to do, get cracking on that. I'm not sure what I'll do. We'll have to see how far that slides on there first of all, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll get some grub screws or something and make that work. Can't see anything.
Just me.
There we go. Alright, there's our plate. Now you take our cable off. There it is. So yeah, I think these winches are tough enough so they should last a lifetime. And I'd say in
You're right.
Oh, there's the tangles. That'll be brutal. Oh, there's a little grub screw in here to undo to get that cable out. Huh. We don't have to get the cable off. I guess I will though. Thing of it is, it'll be easier to work with, and then we'll have to probably get a pair of gloves and try and untangle the cable there. Shouldn't be too hard.
Shouldn't, yeah. You're right.
Well, that's not too great. This is metric, isn't it? Oh no, it's not metric. Hey, that might be the reason. Yeah, that's the reason. Where's the other one I just had? Well, let's try our bike tool. Our park bike tools have got some good tools on it. does not seem to be the right one. Alright, let's try our dirty tricks. There's one thing that's almost better than an Allen wrench. It's a torque set. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Winch spaghetti.
Which spaghetti?
Alright, there's that. So we have a good chunk of aluminum to play with. I wonder if I could braze this back together. That would be a real hit if I could do that. I don't want that in there. That should be in there. I know. JB Weld. Like new. JB Weld can make it like new. Yeah, I've had this winch apart before. And actually a lot of damage that happened on this winch was from the one time I tried to run it without a roller fair lead. We really done did her that time. Whew. It's easy to get frustrated occasionally and just go ahead and smash on things without much thought. Mostly afterthought. Hey, put that in there. Leave it in there. Gotta keep it clean. Where's the other bits? Thing here. There. Yeah, other pieces. Not good, hey. Don't hammer. That makes bad noise on the video. It sounds terribly loud. Nope, no hammering. That's on there decent. A couple more hits ought to do it. I think I felt her move. Oh yeah, we're back on. Good as new. Like new. They probably make them like this. Just tap them together and there you go. Lifetime warranty. Alright. Got an old horse rasp. I got some sharp edges on here. I'm going to try and stroke those off. Yeah, we had, the time I ran it with no roller fair lead, there's actually cracks. Yeah, this drum might be buggered. I don't know where to get Badlands parts. So, I gotta see. That actually indexes onto there. So she might be knackered. Not necessarily though. So I could fill up. Here, I'll get in here close and personal. So this cavity in here, I could fill a good portion of this in. Man, I am so lost on this. Over here. I'd fill a good portion of that in. So the higher ridge here is what hits first. that'll hit on this poly. There's a poly, like a washer of some sort. So, I don't think that I know of any way to braise things, really. So, what could I do? Go weld it? I don't know if this stuff welds. That's the thing. I got the oxyacetylene set. I could probably put a little something on there and do that. So, I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to go back to the old YouTubes and figure it out. Yeah, with that, or just get another drum. I mean, I got the Arctic Cat for hauling firewood today, and we'll go ahead and try and video that. Here's my. Oh no, this is inch sizes. Yeah, that's just another one that wouldn't work. So I guess we'll end the video there, and then we go fight with our wiring. And so Sunday I got the second box of stuff from Detroit Axle. So that means we're ready to do a brake video on the old car. So other than that, I'm going to try and bring a tripod with me, and we'll look up the parts and see where to go from there. Maybe we'll have some mudding footage. That could be pretty fun, because I know I'm getting stuck in the creek. So let's take videos of it. How about it? Alright, see you in the next one.